Now, you know coming up that the other side will just offer more of the same, more false promises, more free stuff. And the media, for far too long, will go along with it and all the deception. What will you counter it with? See, this free stuff is so seductive. Why do you think marketers use free stuff to bring people in? Free stuff is such a strong marketing ploy. It's a tool. That lure of free stuff is seductive. But didn't you all learn too in Econ 101, there ain't no such thing as a free lunch. Our free stuff today is being paid for by taking money from our children and borrowing from China. When that note comes due, and this isn't racist, so yeah, try it anyway. This isn't racist, but it's going to be like slavery when that note is due, right? We are going to be beholden to a foreign master because there is no plan. There is no plan coming out of Washington, D.C. to stop the incurrence of debt, is there? All we're hearing about is why we need to grow more debt. I learned, man, if you're in a hole and you don't want to be in that hole, quit digging.